Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Prajapati. I have uploaded many videos, but you are not subscribing my channel. At least one like to kar diya karo and comment kar diya karo in which topic do I have to make videos. I will be making. I will try to make videos. Okay, so please subscribe कर लेना मेरे चैनल को and like करिए and comment करिए और अपने friends के साथ में share करिए जो आपके बहुत ही नजदीकी friends हैं उनको ही share करिए और दूसरों को मत करिए. In this video, I am going to talk about a practice that you have to do every day 5 minutes only. If you are doing 5 minutes practice of speaking English in a way that I am going to tell how do you have to practice. If you are practicing it every day only 5 minutes, it will be helping you very much in learning this language. This is a very good technique that I also used to use when I used to learn, used to practice very much. So this helped me. Because of this reason I am going to tell you. So let's get started. Guys, you just have to do one thing for 5 minutes, whatever you have done in your full day. Like before going to the bed, you have to record yourself for 5 minutes. 5 minutes you have to speak about yourself. What do you have to speak? This is a basic question. You have to speak about yourself, whatever you have done in your day from morning to night. You have to speak. Like I am going to give an example. जैसे कि मैंने सुबह से लेकर कुछ किया है शाम तक. जैसे कि today I woke up at 6 o'clock and after that I went to for fresh up and after that I did exercises and after that I took my breakfast and then I started reading books for my study. And after that I went to outside for watching Mahan Durga. So these kinds of sentences you have to use for 5 minutes. Whatever you have done in your full day, you just have to speak. This is going to be very helpful for every English learner. If you are a beginner, then definitely do try it. It is the very essential tip that I have told you. Just have to record at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes are not very much time. It is very easy to speak only for 5 minutes. Whatever you are able to speak, you just have to speak only in English. You don't have to use Hindi. You just have to speak in English language. If you want to improve your English, you will have to do, because I am telling you here because I also have used these tips that I am telling you in my videos, and this is what I have told is very good, very helpful and very essential tip. And use it if you want to improve your English very fast. If you will try speaking in front of the camera before going to the bed, it will be memorized. If you are going to speak every day tonight, because if you are learning something before sleepy, it will be easy to remember for a long time guys, because after that you are just going to sleep, and it is what is going on in your mind full night, and after waking up you will be able to recall those things that you have spoken at night, because it is going to be very helpful. Because of this I have told you, because bro, start learning English, and if you are using this step you will be able to learn. Because of this reason I wanted to tell you, it helped me guys. Okay, and as you're looking at, this is my farmland, and I mean farmhouse. I am on my farmhouse, and I thought that I have to make a video, so I just started making about a relevant topic that you have to focus on every day. If you will focus at least 5 minutes, whatever you have done, whatever the things you are going to do in your full day, you just have to speak. If you don't remember the things, you just have to note down first. Note down in your diary, point wise, or you can note down paragraph wise. So whatever the way you are going to noting down, you just have to speak. This is the main point that I want to tell you. This is the main point, guys. You just have to focus. You just have to focus on this. If you are focusing on this thing that I have told every day, it will be very easy to learn this language. It will be stepping up your English journey in a very fast manner, and you will definitely improve your English very soon, because I also have used these tips, and these are very helpful. These have been very helpful for me. Only because of this reason I have told you, because you are my brother and sister and anyone. And guys, I want to help you guys, because English has been very important language. If you are not learning this language, you are losing very much in your career, in your future, because it is going to be very compulsory language. If you are not learning, you will have to learn, come what may. If you are not learning now, it will be a very bad feeling after sometimes. You will be thinking that I had to learn this language very soon, and now I have to learn. It will take very much time. If you are starting now, you will not be thinking like this. You will be having a feeling of gratification that I have learned. You will be thinking that I am lucky enough that I have learned this language at the right time. So because of this reason, just start learning now. If you are waiting for tomorrow, you cannot learn this language, because tomorrow will never come. If you are thinking that tomorrow will come, no, tomorrow will be today, and today will be tomorrow. Like this, you are procrastinating every day. If you are procrastinating every day, you cannot learn. Procrastination is a big killer, is a serial killer, guys, for you. Because in any way, if you are going to focus on any one thing, if you're procrastinating every day, it will be very dangerous for you. It will be very dangerous, because you will not be able to achieve your goals. Whatever the goals you are setting, you will not be able to achieve if you are procrastinating every day. If you are procrastinating, please give up the habit of procrastination, because it is a very bad habit. Very bad habit. At least 3 to 4 hours you just have to focus on your language learning, guys. If you are at least giving 1 to 2 hours every day, 1 to 2 hours, but fully 2 hours, you just have to give every day. If you are at least practicing 5 minutes before going to the bed, whatever you have completed in your day, study, it can be your study, food, bathing, and dancing, and or whatever, playing हो सकता है. आपने जो कुछ भी किया है उस दिन में, you just have to record yourself, and you can do it. If you are making wrong sentences, don't matter, because when I also used to try when I also used to try to speak when I was beginner, I also used to face many difficulties. I was not able to make right sentences. I was making incorrect sentences, but I never stopped learning this language. Because of this reason, I am here, and I am improving now too. Because learning never ends, and I am not a well speaker now too, and I am making many faults, so I just have to improve. So because of this reason, I make my videos, and it is helping me. Okay, So guys, you just have to record. Please believe me, yaar. You can do it. You just have to record. Don't focus on mistakes. Don't focus on faults. Don't judge yourself by making mistakes. Guys, don't judge on yourself. Don't judge, because if you are judging yourself, you don't have to judge. You just have to make make over those faults. If you are making, you just have to correct those faults. If you are doing it every day, you are learning, and the anecdotes will be adding up in your future. You will be able to learn this language very soon if you are doing it every day. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you are doing it, you will be able to learn this language very easily, because it is just a language. Don't take it as a subject. If you are taking it as a subject, it will be very tough to learn. Okay, so you just have to learn this language. Okay, you can do it. Huh? करोगे ना? Okay. Have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye. सब्सक्राइब कर लेना मेरे चैनल को एंड लाइक कर देना एंड कमेंट करिए प्लीज कि कौन से टॉपिक पे मुझे वीडियोस बनाना है और कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो. और ओके, आप यू कैन शेयर टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर वेरी क्लोज टू यू. दे वांट टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. इफ दे वांट, सो दे कैन वॉच माय वीडियोस. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय.